Greater integration and higher performance are driving semiconductor and electronic components to become smaller each day. As a result, stricter requirements are needed for quality control tools in the manufacturing process. Further advancements in precision and speed are now essential for video measuring systems. How far can this balance be pushed? Bringing a new dimension in measurement solutions to quality control processes. This is Nikon's unique approach. The system acquires images according to height. 3D images are created from multiple images scanned at different focal planes. Bright field images and confocal optics conduct 2D and height measurements at high speeds. It is now possible to measure samples that were typically difficult to detect with bright field images. The new series realizes further improvements in throughput. Scanning according to height is now much faster, achieving approximately 1.5 times greater throughput. 45 times magnification capability is now standardized in the lineup. It is possible to measure fine wiring of advanced packages. Other improvements include enhanced operational efficiency and compliance with SEMI standards. Nikon's video measuring systems are used in cutting-edge quality control processes supporting a wide range of applications, including semiconductors and electronic components. Many probe cards essential for chip inspection have been measured using Nikon's video measuring systems. New dimension in measurement solutions. To continue empowering customer innovation, Nikon will provide integrated solutions combining systems and services.